Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. My name is gabrielleishell, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I do box braids on one of my friend's hair. This is my very first time doing someone else's hair, so I was very excited to be getting practice in, but at the same time I'm not experienced, so I attempted to do knotless braids and I was not successful. Just because I'm so used to doing my own hair, I wasn't able to grip her hair like I wanted to, so I had to improvise and use rubber bands for the rubber band method. And since this was my first time doing someone else's hair, I was so excited at how easy it was to part her hair. If you do your own protective styles, you know how hard it is to see the back of your hair, your head, and part it. So I was really excited that I was doing someone else's hair. So first things first, you want to use some gel and or edge control to get the roots. I use Let's Jam and Canvas Beauty Edge Bay, and this is just to make the braids look a little bit cleaner. And then you want to detangle with a comb to get out all the tangles before putting the braid in, because you want the hair to be smooth. Then you're going to wrap the rubber band around the hair as tight as you can, but not too tight, because you don't want it to pull the hair unnecessarily. Putting a rubber band on your hair can be detrimental if you do it the incorrect way, so you want to make sure it's not too tight. And then you use a crochet needle. You put 1/2 of the hair underneath the rubber band, and then you let the other half just sit there, and then you're able to start braiding. Now you want to make sure you're adding your hair early on in the braid instead of when you get further down, because you want the thickness of the braid to be consistent down the length of the hair. So I'm adding the hair, and then you're just braiding it down as you would do a normal braid. I'll be showing you several times how to do an individual braid, just so that you can see it over and over again if you're also doing this for the first time on someone else's hair. I do want to point out the comb that I used to part her hair was very, very helpful. It's a rat tooth comb, but the tip of the comb has a tooth that is very skinnier and pointier than the other teeth, and it really helps out with getting the part precise and very neat. I'll be linking that in the description box below. I think this style came out so nice, and my friend is off to Vegas, so I know she enjoyed having her hair done and out of her face. Now, I finished her hair at 2 a.m. It took about 5 hours to do, I think it was like 30 or so braids. It took a while, but imagine doing that on your own hair. It takes double the time. Anyways, I left the hair straight on the end. You can do that and just dip it in some water, or you can curl the ends using perm rods or flexi rods and dip that in really hot water, which is what we did, but she actually did it at home because she wanted to get some sleep. So here is the final picture of what her hair looked like after she curled it on her own. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.